Here's a common problem. I've seen it quite often and have a simple solution for it. This video, I think, would be geared more towards professionals, someone who's working in the construction industry, building stairs on a regular basis, but can apply to practically everyone building stairs. Now, the common problem is that the stair nosing actually will protrude past the wall because the stairway wasn't laid out properly. Now I've got an easy solution for it. If you want the stair tread nosing to be behind the wall instead of projecting forward from the wall, then all you need to do is actually move the stairway back the distance of the stair tread nosing and the width of the stair tread riser. So for example, if you have a 3/4 inch plywood riser and a 1 inch overhang, then all you need to do is move the stairway back 1 3/4 inches while you're laying out the headout, the walls, wherever the stair stringer is actually going to attach to. Now let me see if I can make a little more sense out of this. I went ahead and drew a little floor plan and right next to the stairway, and I raised the wall up a little bit to give you an idea. Now this is if you were to lay out your stairs on a floor. You've got a floor plan, and usually this is what the floor plan will actually look like. It'll give you the width of the risers, 11 inches, and the width of the landing, for example, but it's not going to provide you with the setback that you need. And I cannot tell you how many times a carpenter who's laying out a stairway with 3 treads that are 11 inches simply measures 33 inches from the front of the wall, and that's where they place their other wall that is going to support the landing and the stringer. Now, all I'm suggesting, and this is it's simple, is to move the stairway back. Move that wall that's going to carry the landing. Move it back 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, whatever the distance is going to be, and solve this problem. Don't quit having these stringers and these nosings sticking out past the walls. And again, this is a common problem. You'll have a 36-inch hallway. The builder makes it 36 inches. They don't allow for any drywall. The hallway's already 35 inches wide. And then they have a stair tread nosing and the carpeting going around the stair tread, which gives you another 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch sticking into this thing, and no one ever says anything. So is it a big deal? Well, it could be. Now here's another picture where I moved it back, and again, there's the distance. Overhang plus riser width is the distance you're looking for. Now again, you can take this thing a little bit farther. You can allow for the thickness of the drywall and the thickness of the material that is going to cover the stairway. So, and don't forget, if you have, let's just say you have oak stair treads and they're going to have a nosing on it, again, then you're going to need to allow for the nosing while you're designing and framing the building or the stairway. And here's another example, give you a better idea what I'm talking about. If the front of the wall is the line there, and the stair treads, if you just lay it out normally, you just go back 3 treads, 33 inches, you build your wall without allowing for the width of the riser or the nosing. And don't forget, the nosing is the distance from the front of the tread to the front of the riser. So in this case right here, like I said, we've got a 1-inch nosing, 3/4 inch wide stair riser, 3/4 inch plywood, 3/4 inch wide OSB, and it would actually project past the wall 1 3/4 inches if you do not move the head out or the supporting wall for any landings back. So anyway, that's it. Watch the video. If might have to watch it a couple times to make sense if you're still having problems feel free to leave a comment in the comment area, and I can always make another video or provide you with a better explanation, hopefully. Anyway, off to the next video.